Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter,
Sherry.
And we are going to, and I noticed this was upside down. I apologize for that when I was trying to show it earlier. So here's the giveaway. We're seeking a new home, and I'll put this upside down, right side up, so you can see the information about the long armor. And we're ready to have the drawing, and let me show you. We have 56 names. Here we go. And also, I thought that there we go. I thought that the quilt was going to end up being 36 by 36, but actually it is 48 by 48. I got on the website and I looked. They do have kits, and the kits are, oh, I thought I wrote the price down. Well, what's it say on that package right there? Oh, $64.96.
$64.96.
That's what the kits are. And if you want to buy backing fabric to match, you need 3.5 yards. I wrote all this down before I got started, and it's going to be 4 weeks long. So let's get ready. So we have the, is that what the other number thing was?
That's the one I had. That was the second one we looked
up.
up,
Because this is
the
one better one
on the last one. Yes,
it's a big one. So show them what it looks like.
It's an Avatar shirt. I just want to show everybody. Isn't that pretty? I love it. No, I have not seen the movie.
I haven't either. So
okay, so we have, that's the random number generator, and we have 56 people.
Yep.
Yes. All right.
Okay, let's go.
Now it says randomize. So the number is going to be number 28.
And number 28 is Sylvia Blanchard. Okay, Sylvia.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. I need your name and the address that you want to mail this to. Send it to Kathy's Cute Creations at gmail.com. And since I'm editing this, I figured out how to write it down at the bottom of the screen, so I will have it at the bottom of the screen.
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 So congratulations again. Let me put a circle. Let me put a circle.
Yeah, we're both looking around frantically for a pen or a pencil.
28. I want to make sure. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this kit will be on its way either Monday or Tuesday. Sherry's going to take it to the post office for me.
Probably tomorrow if you have it all bagged up. And ready
It'll be bagged up. As soon as we get off of here, we're gonna bag it up, and we're waiting for your address. So the sooner you get it to us, the better. If you don't get it to us today because you're not checking the notifications,
you can't go out until you give us your information.
Exactly.
Sorry.
And between the two of our jobs, she can only mail it on Monday and Tuesday. I can only mail it Friday afternoon if I don't have to stay at work. If I got to stay, I can't mail it. Then it would have to be Saturday. So let's get this mailed out as soon as we can. You give me your information, and I'll wait for it today. If your information doesn't come today, then I'll turn around and choose another person tomorrow, because it only takes me a second to do that. This isn't even a 5-minute video. Okay? Thanks, and congratulations again.
Congratulations,
bye-bye, everybody.
Sylvia.